The government has opened a school bus operations center. The aim is to improve safety, efficiency, coordination nationwide. Yannick Williams reports.
The newly opened School Bus Operations Center will serve as the command hub for managing the daily movement of buses across multiple routes. Operated under the Ministry of Transport, the facility is designed to improve scheduling, tracking, and overall service delivery within the school transportation system.
For too long, the issue of transportation of students, especially in rural Jamaica, was known, discussed, and acknowledged, but never adequately addressed. As Minister with responsibility for transport and a rural member of Parliament, I've said before and I'll say it again today, getting our children to and from school safely is not optional. It is a responsibility of any good government.
According to Transport Minister Darrell Vaz, the rural bus program benefits about 300,000 students across 883 schools in 13 parishes. These include 604 rural schools, 8 special education schools, and 271 undeserved urban schools outside the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region. Since the September 2025 launch, over 70 buses have been deployed on rural routes.
Let me make it clear, this program was not designed as a short-term measure or a political announcement as some would like it to seem. This is a structured long-term solution to long-standing problems of getting kids to school.
Minister Vaz says road fatalities remain high, with 8 children killed in 7 crashes up to April 14 of this year. Meanwhile, a new tracking-enabled operations center will provide experienced drivers with real-time bus updates to improve efficiency and to support students, especially in rural areas.
Of the 8 child fatalities recorded since January 2026, St. Elizabeth accounts for the highest number with 5 deaths. Westmoreland, Manchester, and Clarendon have each recorded 1 fatality. In 2025, Hanover, St. Elizabeth, and Clarendon accounted for the highest number of child fatalities with 3 each.
The minister noted that cashless payment system has been implemented and a student transportation card is being introduced, urging parents to register their children ahead of the upcoming summer term. This forms part of a broader government effort to modernize public transportation infrastructure and address long-standing challenges within the school bus system. With the center now officially open, authorities say the focus will shift to expanding services and upgrading the existing fleet. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.
And it's time for a break. Stay with us. More local news when we return.